So basically for today's video, I'm gonna be like featuring the video where I like go and do whale watching, and then I don't know like what I'm gonna be doing afterward in this like second part of the video, but I might feature just some like other stuff in the second half. It's possible I might feature the Beehive Trail in the second half of the video, or I might be featuring it in the early part of the next video. It just kind of depends on like how I split everything off. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So yeah, we've got two over here. They're up ahead.
It's a little seal. He's so right. He's probably tired.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, I got him.
Set for that again. Nice job, dude. That's the best shot.
And then just push over. But thanks so much for coming out with us. Give us a chance out there, do good things, and thanks for sharing some of your day with us.
these little towns would have like a
Any pictures yet? That's it. It won't be as scary as Angel's Landing. People comment a lot about how scary it is.
You guys climb somewhere else.
I know it's more than 2 feet.
Well, these are not the best. Not the best.
What have you Bunch of extra hiking. Oh, you can't because this loops. Listen to that's what I read. It's like very similar, except it's just more. Gotta be this way.
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
Just even more like Untitled. This is just more my thing. Being able to hike and see all the pretty. Ooh, it is slippery right there. I mean, you underestimate it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is about all I'm gonna be doing for this half of the video, so I hope you enjoyed some of the footage I got, like, on today's whale watching. Whenever I did the whale watching today, it honestly, like, wasn't as good of an experience as I expected it to be. I mean, I did really enjoy getting to see whales for the first time, and I did get a couple good videos, but I did get, like, seasick a lot of the time, so I did have to, like, sit inside for a lot of the time, so it made it kind of hard to, like, capture, like, every whale that was out there, but I did still try to go out there and get, like, some good footage of some of the whales. I also did have to work around, like, with a lot of our people on the boat and all that, so it was a little bit hard to get some of the footage, but I do hope you enjoyed some of that. To be completely honest, it's probably something I would never really do again, but it was nice to get to do it for, like, a one and done type of thing. I was feeling sick all the time, and it made it kind of hard to enjoy it, but I mean, I still did get to enjoy seeing the whales, though. Definitely not as good as, like, some of the other stuff that I done on this trip, though, in my opinion, but it's still a lot better than having to be at work, so just anything is better than having to spend a Saturday at work, so just grateful for that at least. So I do hope you enjoyed me getting to do that, and I also do hope you enjoyed the trail that I did do in the second half of this video. I don't know which one it is at the time of filming this. It kind of just depends on, like, how I just split everything, but if it was Beehive Trail, I hope you enjoyed, like, me climbing, like, some of those ladders there, and some of the footage I got whenever I got to the top ended up, like, being a really amazing trail. So subscribe to my post notifications on, see what we do next. Stay tuned for, like, some of the other hiking that I did there. Stay tuned for that in the next video, and without further ado, I'll see you guys next time.